Hi everyone, so this is what our yard looks like right now this morning. So it is raining right now. We're supposed to clean up our yard today, but we can blow the leaves with a leaf blower if it's raining. Plus we need to take out that Halloween decorations right there. My goodness, I need to clean out the house too. This one is so dusty. This is what look like on the side of our house right now. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is I'm going to show you some unboxing. So as you saw on the preview of this video is we are supposed to clean up the yard today, but since we can't do it because it's raining and we can't blow the leaves properly, so we just have to wait this afternoon. Hopefully the sun will come up and dry the leaves a little bit so we can rake and blow dry them today. And so for today's video, just like I said, is we're gonna do an unboxing video. So these bags that I'm gonna show you are two bags that I've got from Justfab. So I've been a big fan of Justfab for years now. So if you, I'm so sorry, my kids is in the other room right now, they're playing. So anyway, if you guys don't know Justfab, Justfab is a monthly subscription. So I'm so sorry about that. I just have to cut some of the part of this video because my kids are kind of loud right now because they're playing. But anyway, let's get started and let me show you the bags that I've got from Justfab. So I've got two bags here, this one and this one. So let's open up the first bag. So this is the first bag that I'm going to show you. Oh, ta-da! This one is a green bag. So I get, so I get this bag, I think when it was on sale. So as you can see, this bag is kind of resembles the Fendi baguette bag. I'm gonna put insert a picture in here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. The only thing that it's missing in here, it doesn't say it's Fendi in here or Fendi inside, but I really love this bag. It's really cute. I haven't got the chance to use this bag yet because I'm kind of busy with all the stuff lately. So this is what the bag looks like in the inside. So there's one pocket bag, insert pocket in here. There's also a zipper pocket at the back right there, and also says Justfab. So this one comes in chain. You can also put this on the crook of your arm like this. So this one is, you guys can use this on a date night or for a quick lunch date with your friends, or a dinner with your friends or your husband or whoever, family. This is also a great gift for... Okay, so I'm gonna show you what fits inside this bag. So I really love this bag because it's in gold hardware, plus the color is in contrast with the interior. So I have my phone right here, so I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna put my wallet as well, so you guys know what fits inside. I have my lotion right here and my lip balm. Pretty much that's it. Oh, the thing that's missing in here is a card piece. As you can see in here, it's still very spacious inside. Oops, sorry. It's still very, very spacious inside. And it's really, really cute. So you guys can hold this as a handheld like this, or you can put it in the crooked of your arms, or you can put this like this, carry this like this as well. So pretty much it's up to you, whatever you feel in how you carry this bag. This is also in soft faux leather, and the zipper is very buttery and smooth. So I'm going to show you guys the next item. So the next item that I have in here is this one. What I really love with their bags right now is it comes with dust bag. So here is the second one. Oops. Here's the second one. As you can see, I still have the plastics and everything. So I'm gonna put an insert of the picture in here so you guys know what bag I'm referring to. So this one is pretty much is like the bag for the Fendi baguette bag. I'm gonna, just like I said, I'm gonna put an insert I'm gonna insert a picture in here so you guys know what it is. So in here, as you can see, this one is in gold hardware, and the strap of this bag is adjustable as well right here. So which is both sides, you can adjust both sides. It has a box. Sorry, let me just take this out real quick. This is both adjustable, and in the inside it looks like this. Sorry, let me just take out something so we can get a good view of this. So the inside, it looks like this. It has a pocket in here, and there's also a zipper pocket at the back, and it says Justfab. I haven't got the chance to use this bag as well, so hopefully one of these days I will be able to use it, especially right now because it's holiday season. So this is what the bag looks like. You can also put it on your shoulder like this, or you can also use it as a handheld. I think you can also use this as a clutch bag as well. You just have to take off the strap if you guys are really into that. But if you take off the strap, you're gonna live with this buckle right here. Oh, you can actually, oh no, I thought you can actually change the strap and put something else in here just to kind of spice it up a little bit. So let's see what fits inside. I'm just gonna transfer everything what I put inside the green bag in here. So I'm just gonna transfer everything, so just give me, so I'll just put everything in here. Just like I said, the only thing that's missing in here is the car keys, but as you can see in here, it's still very, very spacious. So there you go. So here's the bag, and here's the other one. So if you guys are really into small bags or baguette bags, these are the these bags are really pretty. At the same time, they are on the cheaper side as well. And in terms of quality of Justfab bags, because I've been with them for a couple of years now, I would say 10 years already, and the quality of the bag is really, really good. So I would really recommend this one. But just a fair warning though, just to let you know that Justfab is like a monthly subscription. So if you guys want to cancel your subscription, you just have to go to your accounts on the Justfab website, and then you just have to skip the month. I think on the first up to the 5th day of the month, you can actually cancel, skip it, so they won't charge you. But if you're not really into that thing, you can also call them. You can call the customer service and just cancel your account completely after purchasing some of the items that you want. I think on the first purchase is they're gonna give you a 75% discount, if I'm not mistaken, or 70. So here are the bags. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye.